Continuous rainfall and upstream water have caused rivers across the country to swell rapidly. Particularly, the Tista, Padma and Jamuna rivers are flowing near or above the danger level at several points. As a result, vast low-lying areas in at least 12 districts are at risk of flooding. In some regions, farmlands, char areas and homesteads have already gone underwater, leaving thousands of families marooned. According to the Flood Forecasting and Warning Center of the Water Development Board, heavy rainfall was recorded in Sylhet and Mymensingh over the past 24 hours. In the next 72 hours, moderate to heavy rainfall is expected in Sylhet and Rangpur divisions. In Rangpur, the water level of the Dhorla river is rising, while levels in the Tista and Dudhkumar rivers have temporarily fallen but are likely to rise again, threatening to flood low-lying areas of Lalmonirhat, Nilphamari, Rangpur and Kurigram. The Padma's water level may increase for the next 2 days, posing flood risks in Rajbari, Faridpur, Manikganj, Shariatpur, Munchiganj, Madaripur, Pabna and Dhaka. Meanwhile, water in the Brahmaputra-Jamuna rivers may continue to rise over the coming days. Rising levels in the Atrai, Mohananda, Korotwa and other rivers in Rajshahi and Rangpur also pose threats to nearby lowlands. In Sylhet, the Kushiara is swelling, though the Shuma remains below the danger level. Additionally, higher than usual tides in coastal rivers of Borishal, Khulna and Chattogram are increasing flood risks in these areas. Desk report, Bangladesh Guardian.